Solve the equations. Solve the equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 4x plus y is equal to 9. Let us suppose 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, equation 1, and 4x plus y is equal to 9, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3, so as making the coefficients of x in both equations equal. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is multiplied by 4, and 4x plus y is equal to 9 is multiplied by 3. 12x plus 16y is equal to 40, and 12x plus 3y is equal to 27. By subtracting 12x and 12x cut, and 13y is equal to 13, or y is equal to 13 by 13 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, or 3x plus 4 into 1 is equal to 10, or 3x plus 4 is equal to 10, or 3x is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 by 3. Cut 6 by 3, 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. Answer. 2. Solve the equations. X plus 2y is equal to 13 and 3x plus y is equal to 14. Let us suppose x plus 2y is equal to 13, equation 1, and 3x plus y is equal to 14, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 1 for equal coefficient of x in both equations. X plus 2y is equal to 13 multiplied by 3, and 3x plus y is equal to 14 multiplied by 1. 3x plus 6y is equal to 39, and 3x plus y is equal to 14. By subtracting, cut 3x and 3x, and 5y is equal to 25, or y is equal to 25 by 5. Cut 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. X plus 2y is equal to 13, or x plus 2 into 5 is equal to 13, or x plus 10 is equal to 13, or x is equal to 13 minus 10 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Answer. 3. Solve the equations. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 and x plus 3y is equal to 11. Let us suppose 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, equation 1, and x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 4 for equal coefficient of x. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29 multiplied by 1, and x plus 3y is equal to 11 multiplied by 4. So 4x plus 7y is equal to 29, and 4x plus 12y is equal to 44. By subtracting, cut 4x to 4x, and minus 5y is equal to minus 15. Minus plus, or y is equal to 15 by 5, cut 15 by 5, 3. Now putting the value of y in equation first, we find the value of x. 4x plus 7y is equal to 29. 4x plus 7 into 3 is equal to 29. Or 4x plus 21 is equal to 29. Or 4x is equal to 29 minus 21 is equal to 8. Or x is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Answer. 4. solve the equations 2x minus y is equal to 9 and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19. Let us suppose 2x minus y is equal to 9, equation 1, and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2 for equal coefficient of x. 2x minus y is equal to 9 multiplied by 3 and 3x minus 7y is equal to 19 multiplied by 2. 6x minus 3y is equal to 27 and 6x minus 14y is equal to 38. By subtracting, cut 6x and 6x, so 11y is equal to minus 11, or y is equal to minus 11 by 11 is equal to minus 1. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2x minus bracket minus 1 is equal to 9, or 2x minus plus 1 is equal to 9, or 2x is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, or x is equal to 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Answer. 5. Solve the equations 5x plus 6y is equal to 17 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16. Let us suppose 5x plus 6y is equal to 17, equation 1, and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 5 for equal coefficients of x. So 5x plus 6y is equal to 17 multiplied by 6 and 6x plus 5y is equal to 16 multiplied by 5. 30x plus 36 is equal to 102 and 30x plus 25y is equal to 80. By subtracting, 11y is equal to 22, or y is equal to 22 by 11 is equal to 2. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 5x plus 6y is equal to 17. 5x plus 6 into 2 is equal to 17, or 5x plus 12 is equal to 17, or 5x is equal to 17 minus 12 is equal to 5, or x is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Answer. 6. Solve the equations 2x plus y is equal to 10 and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53. Let us suppose 2x plus y is equal to 10, equation 1, and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53, equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2 for equal coefficients of x in both equations. So 2x plus y is equal to 10 multiplied by 7 and 7x plus 8y is equal to 53 multiplied by 2. 14x plus 7y is equal to 70 and 14x plus 16y is equal to 106. By subtracting, minus 9y is equal to minus 36 minus plus y is equal to 36 by 9 is equal to 4. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 2x plus y is equal to 10. 2x plus 4 is equal to 10, or 2x is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, or x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Answer.